Traffic rules test. How to drive through an unregulated intersection. Task. In what order will the cars pass through the unregulated intersection in the situation shown in the picture? Answer options. 1. The red car together with the yellow and blue cars. 2. The blue car, the red car together with the yellow car. 3. The red car, the blue car, the yellow car. 4. The yellow car, the blue car, the red car. Task analysis. At the intersection, the drivers of the red and blue cars turn left, and the driver of the yellow car turns right. The intersection is not equipped with traffic lights, but there are priority signs, give way, no stopping, and main road direction. Only the driver of the red car is on the main road, so he passes first. Since the other two cars are on equivalent secondary roads, their drivers will proceed according to the traffic rules. At an intersection of equivalent roads, the driver of a non-rail vehicle must give way to vehicles approaching from the right, except at intersections where roundabout traffic is organized. This means that the driver of the blue car, who will pass the intersection second, has the right of way. The correct answer is number 3, red car, blue car, yellow car.
Oh yeah!